Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Lorraine and I want to say welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming by and visiting. What I want to show you today is a Dutch pour. I have a 8 by 10 inch canvas and it is already flooded with my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. It's very thin. And I have some colors that I've mixed up here. This is a metallic purple, a prism violet. I have a Deco Art Extreme Sheen silver. I have a Deco Art Extreme Sheen. This is called rose quartz. And I have a cadmium yellow light. And for a Dutch pour, you can do this in any design you want. But for this one, I'm going to start with a puddle in the middle. Start out with my silver. Some of the metallic purple. Some of my extreme sheen rose quartz. Prism violet, and then the cad yellow light hue. Move my cups out of the way, and I'm going to put some white paint around this. Didn't quite pour that in the center, did I? It's okay. And I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm going to blow this over the colors. Got it on my cool setting, and I have to use the high. Blow on. Okay, give that a minute or two to develop here. I love it. It looks like a iris. It's so pretty. I'm going to give it a torch. As you can see, there's some really pretty cells developing. Give it a torch. Get any air bubbles out of it. And I'll give you a close-up. Okay, I've got quite a bit of paint here. I'm going to try to just blow that off. Turn it. Like that. I just want to soften this edge here. There. Love it. So pretty. Let me pick it up. I'll give you a close-up so you can see all these amazing cells. Run it across here slowly for you. And there you are. Quick little Dutch pour. Very fun to do. Very easy to do. Just have to remember to have your paints a thin consistency, and you should have pretty good success. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by and visiting with me. I will see you next time. Bye.